Some climbers call it the Savage Mountain. K2 stands as the world's second tallest summit. As of July 2018, there had been reported 367 successful climbs of K2 and 86 deaths, which equates to roughly one death in every four. But this harrowing statistic includes all seasons, with or without oxygen. Muhammad Ali Sadpara, 45 years old, from Pakistan. John Snorri, 47, from Iceland, and John Pablo Mohr, 33, of Chile, were last seen on 5th February 2021 around noon at what is considered the most difficult part of the climb, the bottleneck. A steep and narrow gully, just 300 meters shy of the 8,611 meters high K2. Muhammad Ali Sadpara, born on February 2, 1976, is a Pakistani mountaineer. He was part of the team that successfully achieved the first ever summit of Nanga Parbat in 2016. He had successfully climbed 4 8,000ers in a calendar year and a total of 8 in his career. Sadpara's first ever climb was the Gasher Brahm 2 in Karakoram in 2006. Sadpara had a record of climbing Nanga Parbat 4 times in his entire career. John Snowri, born on 20th June 1973, was an Icelandic mountain climber. In May 2017, he became the first Icelander to summit Lhotse in the Himalayas, which is 8,516 meters high and the 4th highest mountain in the world. On July 28 of the same year, he became the first Icelander to summit K2. His first notable success was Mont Blanc, 4,808 meters in 2011. He had the record of the first Icelander to summit K2. Pablo Moore, born on 9 February 1987, was a Chilean architect and a mountaineer specializing in the ascent of 8,000ers. He achieved the Guinness record on climbing 2 of the world's highest peaks. The athlete managed to climb to the top of Mount Everest and the Lhotse Mountain, which are 2 of the world's highest peaks, above 26,000 feet in record time. He made his journey without the aid of Sherpas and oxygen and returned to the base camp in less than a week. On 5th February 2021, Sadpara, along with John and Pablo Moore, went missing while attempting to ascend K2. The climbers lost contact with the base camp late on Friday. They were reported missing on Saturday after their support team lost contact with them during their 8,611 meter K2 mountain ascent, also referred to as the Killer Mountain. Pakistani military helicopters continued to search for the 3 missing climbers on the world's second highest mountain K2 on February 8, as the hope of their survival faded rapidly. As hopes get dimmer with each passing moment amidst K2's severe weather, strong snowy winds, and minus 60 degrees Celsius temperature, but the flame of Sadpara's love and passion will remain alive in the snowy mountains forever.